Hey guys, some of you may wonder why the Pokemon Go doesn't work on your mobile. Here's the simplest explanation. Many of the players are spoofing the game to cheat the Pokemon Go. For example, it is actually an AR game, which means you have to go outside and catch the Pokemon as you desire. But this spoofing hack are actually spoiling the fun and its concept. So it is considered as a cheat. Legit players are struggling to get new Pokemon and level up. Meanwhile, the players who uses cheats are getting higher rank and lots of Pokemons without any struggle. That's spoiling the fun. Then people have started to quitting the Pokemon Go because of that reason, and some of them still being a tough opponent for legit players. That's why the developers of Pokemon Go come up with this plan. And they can play while the spoofing app running on their mobile. If they continue that, they will be banned forever. By doing that, they thought they can prevent players from cheating. And they did. Many of the spoofing apps stopped working after that. So people come up with another plan to make spoofing apps work again, which is that moving spoofing app to system so the Pokemon Go can recognize that as a third party app. So the spoofing cheats once again became unstoppable. So developers frustrated and trying to block rooted mobiles to access Pokemon Go, which is currently going on with many mobiles. So if your mobile is rooted, that is the reason it isn't working. So if you want to make that work again, you have to unroot your mobile, then try again. This time you can definitely able to play that Pokemon game. And after a while, people came up with another method to spoof. That's called new routing method that can hide itself. It's called Max Manager, which is undetectable to other apps such as Pokemon Go. That's all guys. Or if you need rooted mobile, then use Max Manager. Hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching this guys, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you later in the next video. Bye.